What has happened in the stock market in the past month needs to be studied, and that's what we're going to do real quick. I went on Google Finance and we're going to take a look at two examples. The first one is a Vanguard ETF that I mentioned before, VTI. When all the global and economic turmoil was happening, guess what? It negatively impacted the stock market. And as you can see, VTI as well as the rest of the market went down. But VTI specifically hit a low of 243 on April 8th. And people were panicking. But guess what happens in the market? It goes up and it goes down. So if you were dollar cost averaging, as you should be, you hopefully were buying when it was low. So now you can see a month later, it has recovered to 278. And you've heard the phrase, when in doubt, zoom out. So we're going to take a look at 6 months. You can see the market turmoil having effect on the market. It went down significantly, which we just zoomed in and look at. And look what happened. It went back up. And we'll zoom out for a year. Look what happens in the market. It goes down, up, down, down, up. 5 years. Zoom up. And what do we see? Overall, we see a steady incline with some dips. But if you continue to dollar cost average over time, your money will make returns. That's the market. Let's take a look at the crypto market. The last month or so. Bitcoin. It went as low as 77,000 on April 7th. Again, affected by the global economics. And what happened since then? It has gone back up currently to around $96,000. So again, if you were dollar cost averaging, guess what? You would have been making all the money up if you bought low. And again, when in doubt, zoom out. Let's take a look. Year to date, it hit an all-time high back in January and has gone down since. So these right here, these lows would be buying opportunities. I hope people were taking advantage because now as it increases, it's less of a buying opportunity. And when in doubt, zoom out. Let's take a look at a year's time. Imagine if people were buying heavily around this time, all this would be profit. All this would be profit. So again, when opportunities arise to purchase quality plays, not crap stocks and cryptos, quality stocks, ETFs and cryptos. You buy quality on sale when it's low. Guess what? You have an opportunity to make a great profit when it returns to its normals. Like and subscribe for more information like this. Hoodie Hustling.